Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're looking at something pretty interesting, how Dubai is, well, really pushing to become a global hub for the digital economy, especially in blockchain and virtual assets. We've got some great sources, and what jumps out immediately is Dubai's unique regulatory angle.
Yeah, it's quite proactive. They're not just reacting. They seem to be actively trying to shape things.
Exactly, like establishing VARA, the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, back in Feb 2022.
Yeah.
And they called it the world's first independent regulator for virtual assets.
Yeah.
A bold claim.
It is. Shows clear intent right from the start.
So our mission today is to sort of unpack how Dubai, mainly through VAR, is trying to balance that tightrope walk between strict rules and, encouraging innovation. Okay, so let's get into it. VARA, how did it get its regulations sorted out so fast? It seems like a complex area to regulate quickly.
Well, fast is right. It was remarkably swift, but also iterative. So established February 22, then just a few months later, August 22, they issued marketing regulation. Then came the big one, the Comprehensive Virtual Assets and Related Activities Regulations in February 2023. And just recently, May 19th, 2025, we saw VARA 2.0. This update brought in enhanced supervision, more refinements.
Refinements like what?
Things like stricter limits on crypto margin trading for retail investors, which is significant, and also requiring prior VARA approval for distributing new tokens.
Right, so getting more granular, adapting as they go.
Exactly. It shows they're learning from the market, actively responding, not just setting rules in stone from day one. It's quite adaptive.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
But why? Why is Dubai pushing so hard on this whole digital transformation front? What's the bigger picture driving all this?
It's really fundamental. This is tied into Dubai's economic agenda D33. The goal there is huge.
Yeah.
Double the size of the economy over the next decade.
Double. Wow.
Yeah. And to do that, they know they need to move beyond traditional income sources like oil. Virtual assets are seen as a key pillar for that future growth.
So it's about economic diversification, basically.
Precisely. It's about attracting foreign direct investment, attracting global talent. And, unlike some places that are maybe a bit hesitant.
Wait and see approach.
Right. Dubai's gone for a first mover advantage. They've laid out a rule book, an evolving one, sure, but it gives businesses clarity that attracts investment.
And it seems to be working.
The numbers suggest so. The crypto sector alone, they project, could generate around 40,000 jobs by 2030. And get this, in 2024, Dubai reportedly attracted over $30 billion in crypto-related investments.
$30 billion. Okay, that's serious commitment.
It signals a very deliberate long-term government strategy. This isn't just a fleeting interest.
Okay, shifting gears slightly, but still related. Real estate. For anyone watching that market, Dubai's moves in tokenizing real estate are, well, pretty fascinating. What's going on there?
Yeah, this is where things get really innovative. You've got this groundbreaking collaboration launched May 25th, 2025, PRYPCO Mint.
PRYPCO Mint. Okay.
It involves the Dubai Land Department, VARA, the Central Bank, the Dubai Future Foundation, all key players. It's the Mananay region's first licensed platform for tokenized real estate investment. It's part of a bigger initiative called the Real Estate Evolution Space Initiative.
And what does it actually let people do?
It enables fractional ownership, so you can buy a small piece of a high-value property. Think entry points as low as maybe AED 2,000. What's that, about $544?
Wow, so it really lowers the barrier to entry for property investment.
Massively. It boosts liquidity in the market and opens up Dubai property to global investors in a new way.
Interesting. Is it all done with crypto then?
That's a critical detail. During the pilot phase, all the transactions on PRYPCO Mint are exclusively in UAE dirhams.
Oh, okay. So dirhams, not crypto directly for the actual buying and selling?
Correct. It seems like a pragmatic move. They're leveraging the benefits of blockchain efficiency, transparency, but keeping the actual financial transactions within the traditional currency system, likely for stability.
And the ownership. Is it legally sound?
That's key. The Dubai Land Department is directly integrating the blockchain records with the traditional property ledgers. So the aim is legal certainty of ownership, tying the digital token to the official record.
That integration sounds crucial. Now, with all these new innovative ideas, tokenization, evolving crypto rules, how do they test things safely? How do they avoid, chaos?
Good question. They use what VIA calls an innovation-friendly framework. A big part of this is regulatory sandboxes.
Sandboxes, like a safe space to play.
Pretty much. Think of them as controlled environments. New tech or products like the real estate tokenization can be tested with real users, but under close supervision before they're rolled out widely.
So it minimizes risk.
Exactly. For innovators and for consumers. VAR might use what they call bespoke regulatory pathways for specific projects, but the whole real estate tokenization initiative itself is effectively acting as a large-scale real estate sandbox. And it's not just VAR. The broader UAE has other sandboxes too, run by entities like ADGM in Abu Dhabi, the DIFC in Dubai, and the central bank. Each might cater to slightly different types of innovation.
So a layered approach to testing and learning.
Precisely. It lets them experiment in a controlled way, making sure the regulations can keep up and, well, stay fit for the future. And if you pull back, look at the bigger picture, Dubai isn't just, playing in the digital asset sandbox. They're actively trying to build the sandbox to shape how this all develops globally. It's this balance. Robust governance, yes, but also a real proactive embrace of innovation. They're building what they hope is a resilient, dynamic ecosystem.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you listening? Well, Dubai has explicitly said their ambition is to create a regulatory framework that's easy to replicate. They want to take its mission global. So imagine that. What if Dubai's model, this blend of strict but adaptive rules and bold innovation like real estate tokenization, actually becomes a blueprint for how other countries handle digital assets? Definitely something to mull over. That's all we have time for on this deep dive. Join us next time.